Hello friend, welcome to my channel ELBW. ELBW means enjoy life and be wise. And thank you for watching. Thank you for 2700 subscribers giving me such kind of support. Thank you. It's everything for you. Today I am going to react on Dimash again because I love Dimash. You already know I love Dimash. You also love Dimash. In this 19th November, Dimash will going to do a concert in London. Really a big solo concert. You can imagine that this is a solo concert that will be happening in 19th November. I am eagerly waiting for that. Really, I love Dimash. And that's why I am going to react on Dimash's screaming performance. So let's start. Wow, I think this is a concert video. Wow, love you Dimash, love you. Wow, idol hits. Screaming. Wow. What a entry, man. Wait, what a entry. Wow. This is called a entry. Man, I love him. And everybody love him. You can hear this sound, Dimash. This is awesome. Everybody love Dimash. That's proof that. Oh my god, is this really a stage? Super. Decoration is really good and so hot. And what a entry, man. I love you Dimash. I love you. Again, I am really shocked about his entry. Wow. See, even he did not started singing, but we are shocked whatever he done till now. Let's start.
I feel a Chinatown, my heart in the storm. Put up resistance to me, so I let you go.
My god. Every sentence of Dimash's song is so powerful. This is the first line. My heart turning to stone. That's okay. Let's continue, please.
But the love inside your soul subsiding, sleep from you. Brings me from the city deep. I'm fighting to believe you remember me. I'm screaming out.
Really, I can't stay far from you. Really, every line of his song is really heart-touching. I always feel him. Don't know why. I always feel just like magic. I don't know, man. That means his voice match with this sentence very easily.
Why can't you hear me? I'm screaming out. Why can't
can't you hear me inside?
Үлкен кіші алы жақын туыс бауыр ағайын шын көңілмен сіздерге айтамын қазір күннің жігіттері
Dimash is doing rap in the middle of this song. My god, this is mind-blowing performance. That's all. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I didn't expect that.
жігіттерге жырдан асыл ақат ағайын таныс әлі бейтаныспа бәрібір үлкенге де кішіге де сый құрмет сәлем біл өз ана тілін қастерлеген ардақтап тарата білген бір сыры мен сегіз қыр
Wow. But it can't possible.
But the love inside just gone subside again. Stay far from you, rips me from the scenes in that I'm fighting to believe you remember me. I'm screaming, why can't you hear me? I'm screaming.
Oh man, he has magical voice. Everybody know that he has magical voice, and by this magical voice, we are flown with his song. Really, we feel this song in our heart because every line touches our heart in our deepest core of the heart. I'm really feeling him. You can also feel him. Just put a earphone and listen to him. You're screaming inside. Wow. It's difficult, but can you try once more? Wow, boys. What? How he got that kind of enthusiasm? I really surprised every time whenever I watch Dimash. How he managed this kind of enthusiasm in his heart. I am really surprised whenever I watch Dimash. Oh, look at him. Yes. Why can't you feel me inside? Wow.
Together, I am screaming.
Can't you feel me living inside? Who can't you feel me living inside? Look at whole auditorium, whole audience, everyone is dancing with this flow. Everyone is feeling that song. Everyone is feeling him. Everyone is shouting for Dimash, only for Dimash. That's called love. That's called love. Really, he has really good talent. Whenever I did reaction, whenever I will give reaction, I tell this every time.
I'm screaming inside. What I love, will it be
My God, look at him, so cute. Really, Dimash is so cute, man.
Nice to see you again, Tears. Very miss you. So,
Really,
baby.
really, that's called a
You
performance.
miss me too.
Wow, wow, and a good ending, great ending. And with this group dancer and the model theater, everything is wow. I only can say wow, because it's a feeling, it's feeling that can't express to you. Really, man, thank you for watching. You can suggest me more, whatever you want, you can suggest me. I will react on them, and I am waiting next concert 19th November 2018 London. Waiting for that. Bye.